Hello guys, it's me again, Techie Edgy. Today I will do a review of the PowerWave Stand 2 from Anker. This is a fast wireless charger. What that means is that if your phone supports fast wireless charging, this wireless charger will automatically determine the fastest speed to charge your phone. If you have an iPhone and you're still using that tiny 5-watt charging brick to charge your phone, this wireless charger will charge your iPhone faster at 7.5 watt. The design of the PowerWave is simple. Everything is made of matte plastic. It has a charging indicator LED at the front and a rubber ring at the bottom. It can charge the phone both vertically and horizontally, even through a very thick phone case. I was amazed by how thick it can handle. This is as thick as the phone itself, and the PowerWave2 is still able to wirelessly charge the phone. After about an hour of charging the iPhone X, both the PowerWave and the phone stayed cool at 29 Celsius or 84.5 Fahrenheit. Overall, this is a good wireless charging stand, and I do recommend you to get one. Make sure to check out the link down below and click that red subscribe button. I will see you guys again in the next video. Peace out. GetUpside is not the sponsor of this video. I'm advertising GetUpside because it is a good app and I will also get some kickback when you use my referral code. GetUpside is a free app that is available on both iOS and Android. GetUpside will give you cash back every time you buy gas at your local gas station. You can get up to 25 cents per gallon cash back. It is 100% free to sign up and use. Download the GetUpside app now and use the promotion code shown on the screen to get extra 15 cents per gallon cash back. I will also get 15 cents per gallon cash back after your first use, so thank you.